In today's video, we will talk about how to change your EBT PIN without a social security number. First, call the EBT customer service number. You can find this number on the back of your EBT card. Once you call, listen to the instructions and select your preferred language. Next, you will be asked to enter your EBT card number. This is the long number on the front of your card. Enter it carefully and follow the system prompts to continue. After that, the system will ask for identity verification. Normally, it requests the last 4 digits of your social security number. Since you do not have one, you will use the identification number given to you by your social services agency instead. This could be your case number or client ID. If you are not sure what it is, contact customer service before continuing. Once you enter the correct ID information, the system will ask for your date of birth. Enter it in the correct format, 2 digits for the month, 2 for the day, and 4 for the year. Make sure it matches your official records exactly. After your information is verified, you will be given the option to create a new PIN. Choose a 4-digit number that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid simple combinations like repeated numbers or sequential numbers. Then you will be asked to confirm your new PIN by entering it again. This step ensures there are no mistakes. Once confirmed, your PIN will be updated immediately. You will be able to use your EBT card with your new PIN right away. You do not need a new EBT card after changing your PIN. Your current card will continue to work normally unless you request a replacement or it is lost or damaged. If you run into any issues during the process, you can always call customer service for help. Now before you go, if you are looking for a simple way to earn a little extra money online while managing your daily expenses, you can also check out FreeCash. It is a platform where you can complete small online tasks and earn rewards. You can find the link in the description to sign up for FreeCash for free and start exploring it whenever you have spare time.